Alright, in this video we're going to unbox the WLToys. Which one was it? I don't even remember. It's the A979-B. Now, despite it looking like it's been opened and quite squashed, it actually hasn't been. This is just how I received it. Haven't opened this box yet, so let's just dive into it and have a look. Don't know what to expect really. First thing you get is your standard little menu and tool bit. Throw that over there. Oh wow. Okay. You guys can't really see it yet. Here it is. It's not very big. So a 1/18 scale, so I didn't expect it to be too big. Just throw that on the ground. How is this thing stuck on it? I don't get it. It's stuck underneath of it. Where the hell do we get this off? Oh, it's got zip ties. I see them right here. So, cut that one. Get in here and cut this one. Alright. Let's get it off. What are they like? There we go. Look at it. It's tiny. It's so small. Let's have a look. Let's set this aside and see what else is in the box first. Everything is zip tied in, as you can see. Cut this zip tie. Don't think there's any more. Or is there? No, there's not. Pull it out. So here's the controller. That is quite large. But it kind of feels quite out of proportion, to be honest. The only thing this one doesn't tell me is batteries, 4 AA's. Power buttons here. It feels alright. It doesn't feel the best. You got throttle trim, steering trim, and that's about it. Alright, let's have a look at the car. That's what everyone wants to see, isn't it? Get this box out of the way. Where's the charger? There it is. Charger's in this little box. Let's get it open. It's just standard charger. That is not going to plug into my wall. That's good. Good thing I've got plenty of these laying around. Okay, so the car itself. It's just made out of full plastic, pretty much. It feels quite sturdy. Let's put this together. Okay, so let's have a look at the car itself. It is very small. It looks kind of cool, to be honest, just because it's so small. It seems pretty solid. I'm not gonna like it. It definitely seems pretty solid. That screw kind of looks loose. Anyways, alright, let's have a look under the hood. Just held on by four body clips. They're on there pretty good. And there we have it. There's a lot jammed in that little spot. That is a big motor for this little car. It's pretty ridiculous, really. What is this battery? What is this? Oh, it's actually a little LiPo. 7.4 volt, 1500 milliamp LiPo. 2-cell, basically. That's pretty cool. The last one I got wasn't a LiPo, so that's a plus. Your little aerial. Your motor, that steering servo is small. I'm assuming everything's plastic. Oh, it's actually got a motor with the inbuilt fan. So I should hope keep it cool. I suppose it does need that because it is rated to do 70 kilometers an hour, isn't it? It's like all metal drive shafts. The center drive shaft is quite beefy. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can. I kind of want to get this off and look at it to see if it's all plastic gears, which I'm assuming it is, but it's pretty well buried. To get it off, I'd have to take off all the front and get this off just to have a look at that. Now, I've been told that all the diff gears are all plastic and they are known to strip out. They do look pretty small, so I don't actually know if I have any that would fit that. And that screw is definitely not screwed in. I might actually have to go over this car and check it before I take it out. What the heck? Is there any more? Maybe it's supposed to be like that, because as you can see the back one's not screwed in either. Right, let's check it right now. Where's the screwdriver? Let's get a screwdriver and have a look. The screwdriver didn't fit it. Different one. No, different screwdriver. This one fit? This one fits. Oh, they're not even tight. Not sure if there's a reason for that or that's just how it come. But it was not tight. I'll tighten both of them real quick, and then the other side as well because they're not done up either. Looks like somebody may have forgotten to do them up. This one's in a very bad spot to get to. Alright, that's tight. Do this one. Why were they undone? That's a very good question. I don't really know the answer to that. Wouldn't be very fun if you're driving down the road and the front wheels fell off. The knuckles. This one was screwed in almost all the way. It's like someone forgot to do them. Oh, that's tight. Do I see any more screws? No, everything else looks like it's tightened down. Somebody literally must have just forgotten to do it. Everything else looks fairly good. I think that's tight. It's just... oh. No, that wasn't tight. Over this one. Yep, now. I don't really understand that. No more? No. Right. Now they're tightened down. What the? That's great. It's not how you really want to get a car, is it, with loose screws? Seems really bouncy. Like, very. It's very bouncy. But anyways, well, it's supposed to do 70 kilometers an hour on 2-cell, so we'll get it outside and have a go. I'm going to go find a road that's straight enough and smooth enough to do it, hopefully. So we'll see you there. Okay, well, I don't really have a flat road at my house, but we do have this. It's fairly long and flat, so I figured instead of waiting, let's just get it out and have a go up here. With all the horses watching it. I'm sure they'll love it. Okay, there's no chance I'm not even going to get it close to full throttle out here. No, I'm probably going to need a road. It's very hard to control. It's stupid. You can't even give it full throttle, it just does circles. It is stupid fast. Well, let's see if we can get it to come back at least close. Well, it landed. Just took a mad tumble though. Seems okay. And then it gets stuck. Alright, let's take it somewhere else anyways.